I don't know. The snow is fairly deep. The track's staying on top, but we'll see if she can pull it. Show you what I mean here. It's about up to my knees. We'll try it. Low range, of course. Pretty impressive. There's no way the tires would have done that in the snow. There's still quite a bit here, you know. Still the branches on it. Alright, so we got the Arctic Cat diesel here. We got the Tiger Tracks 4-season terrain. Pulling them off, putting the tires on. So I figured I'd take a little video so well, remember how they go for one. And maybe it might help some of you too. So let's get to dismantling these things. So I already got the bolts off here. Here's a plate, and then once you get that plate off, this just drops. Now you just got your 4 lug nuts on here. Got to rotate it again. Should be able to get them there. There's that. Now this can come off. Tire can go on. Okay, so just drop our thing, pull our plate. Be able to get to both of them there. Now pull that off, ready for another tire. Jack up the front. You don't really need it running for the front because you can rotate these front tracks. Front track. Same thing. We got bolts we got to remove here, and should just pop down once you get them all out. Well, looks like somebody already marked these left front. That's a good idea to always mark them. Makes it easier. So that's what it looks like. Our top plate is right here. It's also good to put these together. Once you get everything apart, take it, put your plates back together. That way you don't lose stuff. Alright, now we just remove our lug nuts. Now, like I said, the front, you can just rotate these as long as you're at a four-wheel drive. Ready for a tire. Thing over here. Move your plate. Make sure we're high enough to rotate it. It's cutting it pretty close, but might be able to get that third one. Yep. There's the last track. There. Now we just got to remember to save the video for next year. Alright, we got the tracks off the Arctic diesel and got the tires on. Let's go see what the top speed is. Alright, let's go ahead and hop on her. So we got, we're gonna run off this is in miles per hour. We also got our GPS here for a more accurate reading. So let's take her up the road and find out. Two-wheel drive. Ahead. We'll see how fast low range is here. Full throttle. That's very smooth. And then it's like governed right there. 23 on the speedometer, 20 miles an hour on the GPS. So the speedo's off a little bit, which usually they are.